So you've captured your first demo and you're ready to start editing. What we suggest you do next is create a little bit of structure within your demo. There are 3 core functions within HowdyGo that we suggest you use for this process. The first is the ability to add and delete steps. The second is the ability to autoplay steps. And the third is the ability to introduce chapter markers into your demonstration. Let's start with adding and deleting steps. Click on the Insert Step button. Here you will see all of the existing steps that you've already captured. You can select any step, whether it's been deleted or it's already within your demo, and click Insert to add a new step into your demo. If you realize that you haven't captured a step and you'd like to add a new flow into an existing demo, you can do that by clicking Add New and then selecting Capture with Extension. This will put the extension into insert mode, which means that you can jump over into your web application, start a new recording, and any steps that you capture will be automatically added into your existing demo. If you'd like to delete a step, all you need to do is click on the trash icon and confirm the deletion. Don't worry about accidentally deleting steps. You can always insert them after the fact if you realize that you've deleted the wrong one. Let's talk about autoplaying steps. Autoplay gives you the ability to choose whether or not a viewer needs to actively engage with the demonstration in order to proceed to the next step. I recommend using autoplay relatively sparingly. To turn on autoplay, all you need to do is click on the playback button and then toggle autoplay on for that step. When it comes to creating a concise demo, the goal is to remove or autoplay steps which the viewer just won't find that interesting. In order to create an engaging demo, you need to have as few steps as possible while still conveying your message. What I typically look at are steps which show a transitionary moment. For example, closing a dialog window or selecting multiple items in a list. When it comes to closing a dialog window, typically I would use an autoplay step because it helps the viewer understand the context of what they're seeing. When it comes to long list selections, typically I'll remove almost all of the steps in between the beginning state and the end state. The final piece of functionality we recommend you use is the chapter navigator. 25% of people who reach the end of demos will go back and review sections that they found interesting or they'd like to learn more about. Introducing chapters is really easy to do. All you do is click on chapters and then insert titles throughout your demonstration. Editing demos in HowdyGo is iterative. Typically, I'll go through this structuring process 2 to 3 times while creating an initial demo. Don't be disheartened if it takes you a little bit to get to a finished result. And if you need a hand at any point, feel free to send us a message via the in-app chat. We'd be happy to help. Thanks so much for watching.